basically two types of oils: the mineral oil and the synthetic oils. The mineral oil, like the name says, is oil that is coming from crude oil. Okay, the idea is that this oil is natural. It's coming from crude oil that after a process of refination is separated the oil and other additional additives and components used for other purposes. This is the main function of the mineral oil. The inconvenience in the refination process is that some elements like carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus stay in the oil, and those contaminants produce catastrophic consequences in the future. For example, the most common is the sulfur. The sulfur in the explosion produce sulfur oxides. The sulfur oxides goes outside through the exhaust pipe. When the sulfur oxides is mixed in the environment with the humidity of the environment, the humidity, the water, plus the sulfuric oxide or sulfurous oxide produce sulfuric acid. For example, in your car, in this moment the engine have more than 150,000 miles, and you see in some cases in the morning when I start the car, I see a little amount of blue smoke. After that disappear. And also when I am driving my car in the heavy traffic and I stop in the light, when I start again, I have a little blue smoke and once again disappear. Okay, this is an indication. This is an indication that okay, the engine have too much miles, 150,000 miles, and you have a little low compression right now because it's normal, and this is the moment to replace that oil, 20W40, for other oil, single grade, the same brand, the same manufacturer of the oil, but a single grade with a little higher. For example, if you use today 20W40, you can replace for single grade 50. Replace the oil, flush the oil, and replace the oil right now, the same brand. If you use right now mobile, continue with mobile, but right now single. Okay, and check what is the difference. Oh, that's better. No blue smoke. I feel the engine better. I feel the sound of the engine better. It's wonderful. Okay, and you can use for other 1 year or 2 years additional with the single grade. Okay, blended oils. I don't recommend. Blended oils is a mixture in between synthetic with the conventional based oil. No, those oils are not recommended for any type of engine. Doesn't matter if it's marine or automotive. No, it's not recommended. Be careful with those cheap oils that you found in some gas stations or supermarkets. Cheap oils with that number, that name, blended oil, because those oils are used oils that the people collect from the garage, from the shops, in barrels, and they pass for different type of filters. They clean those oils and they added additives and colorants, and they sell again those oils like original oils or good oils for some purposes, but really those oils are no good.